In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use AI lip sync in Kling 2.0. So they recently introduced this 2.0 and 2.1 feature. You can head over to this video option, and this is the 2.1 section. Now I'm going to be going back for now, and you can see we have our we need to head over to our sounds, and this is where we can get our sounds generated. Let me just go back. So the thing is that how do you actually use the lip sync feature, right? So it does comes with that. All you need to do is simply head over to your sound section. On the left side, you can see we have this lip sync option. Simply click onto that, and now you're going to be uploading a video. Like for example, anything could be an image. You can see we got a character here. You can upload your speech here, or you can upload right in here, paste the script as well. You can set the audio type. You can see different type of voice actors already included here. You can choose the profession, male, female, boy, girl, the age factor, and everything. Then you can select the speech rate, which is going to be the speed of the speech. So then you can set the emotions as well. You can choose
Hey
different
guys,
audios.
who's up for a game of basketball after school? It's gonna be awesome!
You can see how good it is. It is going to be synchronized with this AI based. So it is an image, but later on, once you render, it's going to be turned into lip sync audio.